Hi, Barbara Reagan with Long and Foster Realtors. If you've lived in your home for 20, 30, even 40 years, and you're now thinking of selling your home, you've probably heard people say you need to gut renovate your home before you sell. Well, today I want to put that myth to rest. I'm going to show you exactly what today's buyers are looking for and the simple, affordable updates that make the biggest difference in your home's value. Homes that have been lovingly lived in for decades often have great bones, solid construction, mature landscaping, larger lot sizes. But buyers today are comparing your home to newer listings with fresh finishes. The good news? You don't need a $50,000 renovation to compete. You need to address the handful of things that make buyers pause. Buyers form an opinion in 30 seconds. Here's what stands out the most. Lighting. Dim, dated lighting fixtures make a home feel old even before buyers step inside. Swap out fixtures, and using warmer LED bulbs is inexpensive and instantly modernizes a room. Paint. A fresh coat of neutral paint is still the single highest return update in real estate. It covers decades of wear in a weekend. Flooring wear. Buyers don't expect brand new floors, but worn carpet or scuffed hardwood signals more work for me. A deep clean or refinish or replacing just the worst room goes a long way. Curb appeal. Trimmed bushes, a clean walkway, and a tidy front door area cost very little, but set the tone for everything else. Now, let's talk about the updates that give you the biggest return without a major renovation. Kitchen hardware and faucets. New cabinet pulls and a modern faucet can transform a kitchen for a few $100s. A bathroom refresh. Regrouting tile, updating the toilet seat and lighting, and adding a new mirror make bathrooms feel current. Smart, small tech touches. Programmable thermostat or updated light switches signal the home is move-in ready. Decluttering and depersonalizing. This one is free. Remove excess furniture and personal items that help buyers picture themselves living there instead of feeling like guests in yours. Addressing deferred maintenance. Leaky faucets, sticky doors, or a running toilet seem minor to you, but buyers notice them as red flags for bigger, unseen issues. Here's what you generally don't need to do. Full kitchen remodels, new roofs unless there's active damage, or replacing systems that are still functioning well. Buyers factor in some updates themselves. What they're really paying for is a home that feels clean, cared for, and ready to move into. If you've been in your home for decades and you're not sure where to start, that's exactly what I'm here for. I'll walk through your home with you, room by room, give you a simple, prioritized list. No guesswork, no pressure. Just give me a call or send a message, and let's figure out the smartest way to get your home ready for today's buyers. This is Barbara Reagan with Long and Foster Realtors. I am a senior real estate specialist and a senior as well. I understand the challenges and the questions, and I'm here ready to talk. No pressure, just an honest conversation. Have a great day.